Hello my friends, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and I have 3 items to share with you today that you might be aware of, but you might not have been able to get your hands on them because one of them I released years and years and years and years ago with the other company, and it was retired years and years ago, so it's been like gone. And then one I took on HSN a long time ago and it's sold out. And then the other one I took on HSN and it sold out within minutes. So now's your chance to get these items if you've been waiting for them. Are you ready? This is the one, this is the stocking that was released years ago. Now it is back out for your enjoyment. We've gotten so many requests for this one because it's perfect to slip a little gift card into. And don't worry, I have samples, but oh, look at this one first. Imagine making ornaments for everyone in your home. Is that gorgeous or what? Michelle always knocks our socks off, but look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Now I have an ornament for my tree. You could make these or put these on your mantle. Like for example, we used to have a house where the mantle wasn't strong enough to hold real stockings. Imagine putting these on that mantle. How cute would that be? Yeah, I need more. Isn't that adorable? Okay, so that's one. Of course it makes a card and I'll show you that too. Now, here is the Santa Fold It. This one went on HSN, sold out. We now have it available on our website. So if you missed out on HSN, now is your chance to get it. And I have samples to share with you. So cute, this little guy. Now, this is the one that sold out within minutes. This one was so popular on HSN and people email us at least weekly. When is that coming out? It's finally time. It is the Double Z card die set. Now I have samples to share with you and I am doing a video on how to make this. So go check out the October Kit Club video, the October card kit video, and you will see me use this die set because it is amazing, amazing. And it's chock full of dies. It has circles, it has hearts, it has thinking of you, it has this cool little technique. Oh my gosh, it's awesome. Ready? Let me show you how cool it is. Here is the Double Z. So it looks just kind of like a normal card, but when you open it up, look at that. It has all those extra layers. I hope you can see all those extra layers. It's literally 3D. It is so fun, and the best part about it is it's so easy. It's so easy to make. So go watch the card kit video for October 2021 and you will see how easy peasy this is to make. Look at this one. Cheryl made this one and she used so much 3D ink on here. It is stunning in person. All those little dots that you see are 3D ink ornaments. Aren't they gorgeous? Cheryl is really good at using those 3D inks. Also, all these dots along here, 3D ink. So gorgeous and so fun. Here's another one using that Double Z with our barbecue set. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? They totally pop up. Now, here's also an example of something I want you to see. Notice that this ribbon here, not ribbon, but Z part is up a little bit. This one is at the very bottom. So you get to decide. You could put it at the top if you wanted to. You get to decide where that extra Z goes. Now, why do I keep calling it a Z? Because literally it's a Z shape, right? You can see that little Z shape. But there, let's see, there's an angle. There's an angle. But you can see those fun Z shapes. So definitely go check out that video to see how to make those, okay? Now, let's look at the fun stockings. They are cards. They do make cards, A2 size cards. Let it snow. But you can also do fun little ornaments cut out of wool felt on our website. Or you could even make, are you ready for this? A banner out of them. So cute. Isn't that awesome? I love them. They're so fun. And you could just make a card if you wanted and add felt to it to make it more exciting. There you go. Here's a cute one. Noel. Oh, pink and blue. So gorgeous. Or you could add little dragonflies to it. So cute. Christmas joy. Here's a cute one for you. And you're going to open that up. You could hide a gift card in there. So cute. Now our little Santa. Here's a cute little one using the box it die to make it a little Merry Christmas, but it's also a box, so you could display this and put some little goodies in there or hide a gift card in there if you want to. Here's a cute guy, ho, ho, ho. Have you been naughty or nice? Isn't he cute? And of course, don't forget, he's a card also. He can be a card. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. Here's a cute little guy. Ooh, glitter paper. You know how much I love glitter. Cute, cute. Make it a little card. And here's another cute one. Christmas. Merry Christmas, using our Christmas statement set. Look at that Christmas. Isn't that an awesome Christmas size? So fun. Now, club members, yeah, you know the deal. You're getting that 15 to 20% discount off of everything on the website. I know, it's a sale every single day. Now, when we do flash prices, did you guys all realize that when we do a flash price, a flash sale is when it's a brand new item for the first 24 hours on our website, you get an extra discount. So not only on flash sale prices do you get the flash sale price, club members get their discount also. So it's like double discounts. Double discounts. Who doesn't love double discounts, right? I love double discounts. I wish I could shop on my own website. I mean, that's how awesome it is. I always want it to be a place where I want to go. And you know what? I'm cheap and I want that extra deal. I want to make sure that I'm paying the very least amount that I need to pay. And you know what? If you've seen our quality, you know our quality cannot be beat. It is amazing, the quality, but at the lowest price. How do we do that? I know, it's amazing. It's awesome. You know why? Because we always say our customers that pay regular price, which is an amazing price also, are our friends. But our club members are our family members. So our club members get the family discount. So it's like awesome. I just love it. Go check out the website, thestampsoflife.com. And you know what? You'll see me there. Bye-bye.